June 22nd, look, and at the end, because this is a cardinal number, 22nd, right? 22nd. If today is Monday, what day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? If today is Monday. Remember, our days of class are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? And Friday. What about with the 2 missing days? Saturday and Sunday. They are weekends, right? Weekends. What do you do on weekends? You sleep late, you take a shower late, so right? Maybe after your lunch. But since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you are taking a bathroom, right? A shower very, very early. So as I was telling you that I'm not gonna give you that page, because if I give you that page, all of you are going to start working, and that is a piece of cake, right? That next exercise that you are going to do. But that is why we are going to start working. Do you remember the numbers that we start working last week? They are not from 0 to 10, no. There is not only 1, number 2, number 3, no. There are more numbers, But remember the last numbers that we studied. And we also developed some additions, right, with those numbers, Who wants to give me ideas about those numbers? Nobody? Number what? Or do you think the number 10 is the last number in the list? No. Number 10 is in the last, okay? I'm gonna write it down. You may write down from 0 to 10. Escriban los números del 0 al 10, okay? You can do it in a piece of paper, or you can do it in a separate paper, right? Don't worry. Or just think about it, right? You can think about it. You have to name the numbers that I'm going to show it to you, right? Today we are going to practice them in a different way, because all those days ago we were practicing numbers from 0 to 10, but today it will be other side, right? Yes?
¿Cuál fue el motivo por qué me dejaste?
¿Quién está cantando? Remember, if you want to sing, si quieren cantar, deben bajarle al audio, ¿verdad? Okay, I already have my numbers. Look, if you don't have it, don't worry. Here we have a number 0, 1, 2, 3, that isn't 3, right? 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? 10. So they are easy for you because you memorize. You memorize them in this way, right? In this one. Dylan. Remember, Dylan, that you need to raise your hand. Tienes que levantar la manito. No, nothing, okay. So we are going to count our numbers, but not from 0 to 10. It will be from 10 back to 0, okay? Are you ready? You must be ready. Dylan, we are not, you don't need your book now. No books right now, no books right now. Nada de libros ahorita, okay? Let's focus on the numbers here. Let's start from 10 to 0, okay? Have you ever count from 10 to 0? You will do it now. Okay, let's repeat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You got it? Once again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. ¿Ok? Esa fue una cuenta regresiva, por así decirlo. So why do we count in this way? Well, the first reason is because when I am asking to you, okay, what number is after 10? And you are lost. Or what number is before? El número que está antes del 10. And nobody wants to answer me, right? That is why if we still practicing, okay, from 10 to 0, una cuenta regresiva, right? You will memorize those numbers, the way they are or the position they have, right? So we are going to practice it one more time, una vez más, okay? Let's start here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Very good. If you practice with me, you will repeat it, okay? Because I thought that all of you do it, right? Creo que todos lo hicieron. So, look at them. We only have 10 numbers. Okay, well, this one would be 11, but this one is a number 11, right? Last week, we start solving some additions, sumas, right? Additions that as a result, we have a what? A lower or a big number. We have a big number, right? So if I ask you to add 10, okay? Here we have 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 fingers. And I ask you to add 2 more. How many fingers do we have? 10, 11, and 12. Do we have a number 12 in the here? Do we have number 12 here? No, right? Number 12 isn't here yet. But how do we write a number 12? We write a number 12 with number 1 and number 2. Don't say miss number 1 and number 2. No. Look, here we have number 12. But what number is between 12 and 10? Or do you count? Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. No, right? Here, between, en medio, between 10 and 12, there is a number. What number is there? Number 11. Look, number 11 is the one that should be between 10 and number 12, right? Between 10 and 12 is number 11. Este par de números 1 que ustedes ven aquí is 11, 11, 11, right? Are you got it? Yes? And after 11, our number 12 is next. After next, what number is next? It's number 13. I was telling you, right, that 13 is like you say tortillas. 13. A number 1, a number 3. That makes our number 13. 13, right? Good. After number 13, there is another one. That it is our number, our number 14. How do we write? Number 1 and number 4 is 18, right? You got it? Yes? Okay. Now we are going to work in your books because I know that some of you are kind of interested, right? About what are you going to do now? Okay. So we are going to go on page 60. Okay, I'm gonna write it here. For the ones that were asking me, Miss, what page? What page? No me digan, Miss, ¿qué página? What page, right? That is the right question. And if you don't say it in English, I'm not going to do it the page. Okay, I'm not gonna give you the page. We're going to work on page number 60. This is our number. This is our page number 60. 60. If you see this number and you see the ones that I have, do we have this number 60 in our list here? No, right? We don't have it. Why? Because this number is the next one that you are going to learn. You have to know the numbers from 0 until the end, right? But we know that there is not end. Okay. If you are on page 60, Loami, can you sit, Jesslyn, can you sit properly, please? Because you look more like you were sleeping. I know that the day is in a hot day. It's a day that all of us, we wanted to stay in our bed. So we're going to look at here. Okay, what do you have? This page is done. Esta página está terminada, así que no le pongan mucha atención because you have to do it by your own. So there you have three different cards. Some of them are in front, some others are inside, right? You have to look for the ones that looks the same. For a pair, los pares. Okay, our first one in one of the column is a taxi. The next one that is below, it is a truck. Okay, un camión. And then we have the last one, that is a bus. You have to look at the next part, the missing part that makes them one, right? Yeah? So I need to show it to you, right? Here we have already done. Here we have a taxi, a truck, and also a bus. Your work consists to connect. Okay, my taxi is here. Where else is the other part of my taxi? Okay, taxi here, and we have to look at it. Our taxi's part is here. You have to connect, match. Okay, can you do it for me? Match that part that are the same. That part makes only one car, right? Because there you have 6, but we don't need 6 cars. We need to have only 3, and they are divided. Can you connect them, please? Can you match? Where is Kimberly? Today I see that you are few students. Maybe it is because the day is cold and some of you wanted to sleep late, maybe, right? Well, but some of you send me a note. I'm sorry. Okay, Gerardo is sick. Gerardo is sick, Said is sick, right? So we have to give them a chance to work later on, right? So Sebastián Rios, are you working? Do you have your book? Do you have your book? No? Okay, Megan is working. Who else is working? Today you are few students. I don't know why, but you are few students. Okay, Steven Herrera, what is your book? Steven? Okay, Sadok, your book?
Libro, diga. Levántale la manito y le dice.
Yes?
Dígale que no tiene el libro.
No.
No tengo
You
el
don't
libro.
have your book.
No
Okay,
tengo el
don't
libro.
worry. Very good. Don't worry, don't worry. I have your notebook. The thing is that, well, I'm going to send to you this. This page isn't so important, right? Esta página no es tan importante. Para la siguiente, sí. Entonces a la siguiente yo le envío la imagen, ¿ok? Don't worry about it. You can work on your notebook. Okay, Sado? What about you? Do you have your book? You didn't reach it before? Okay, nice. And then you are going to work on this, right? On this page, page 50. Huh? What do you need to do? Okay, you have to match. Tiene que unir los carros que tengan una segunda parte. Okay, aquí tenemos el taxi. Here we have the frontal part, right? La parte frontal del taxi. Then you have to look at it for the bus part and the truck. Yeah? Dylan, are you working? Natalie, are you working? Yes? Maybe? Okay, what are you going to do when you finish this part? Do you finish? Very good. Okay, if you finish to connect, to match one part of the car and one other here, you are going to color, okay? But how? Okay, if you start coloring the taxi in yellow, the missing part should be yellow, right? If our truck here is brown, the missing part should be brown. The bus is green or orange, I don't know what color are you going to use. The next part should be the same color. You have to color the two parts with the same color, because if they are not coloring the same color as well, they are not pairs, right? No son pareja. So both of them should be the same color, okay? Dylan, please work. Are you sleeping? Nehemiah Lailes, are you working, right? Okay. Do you have a question now? No? No question, right? Everything is clear. Okay, you can work. Coloring, color. You need colors. You don't have colors, you can use crayons. If you don't have crayons, don't worry. You have to connect. And you have to let me know. But if you have your colors already and you wanted to color them, do it. Do it, okay? Remember to start coloring from up to down, up and down, or right and left, but not mix those way to color. No mezclen las maneras de colorear. Si empezaron de arriba abajo, terminen de arriba abajo todo el dibujo. Si lo hicieron de derecha a izquierda, termínenlo de derecha a izquierda para que no se les vea feo. ¿Ok? Very good. Dylan? Okay, Jesslyn, are you working? Do you have a question? Sebastian, don't worry, okay? Sebastian Rios, don't worry because we continue working, yeah?
Un color que queramos.
Yes, any color that you want, right? Don't worry, just respect the way you color. The way you color, that is the way that you should. That you should do it, that you should work. Okay, let's see, Natalie. Do you have questions? No? Okay, Megan, still working. Very good, Megan. Megan, let's work. Let's see who else. Okay, Abigail is working too. Very good, Abigail. Hesman is working. Jose David still working. Very nice. Excellent. Dayanara is working too. Okay. Try to not lose your energy at the time to work, because then you are tired and the weather is helping you to want to sleep now, right? But don't worry, because we are going to complete, right, our assignment for today. Okay, Kimberly, and you? Any color. Choose any color that you want. If you love to color in red, okay? There's not problem.
Miss,
Yes.
disculpe, ¿qué es lo que tienen que hacer, Miss?
Tienen que unir las partes que o conectar las partes que son de un solo auto. Después lo colorean las 60.
Ok.
Bueno.
60.
Page 60, okay?
16.
Okay, I know some of you are almost finished that part. And if you're still there, don't worry. Remember, if you want to present or show me good works, okay, you have to get a focus on your own work. Mantenerse enfocados en su trabajo, okay?
Mi, disculpe, todos los tiene que pintar.
Sí, solo que, bueno, si pintó el taxi en amarillo, la otra parte del taxi debe ser el mismo color.
Gracias.
Bueno, la orden.
Miss, tienen que pintarlos.
Sí, porfa.
Ok.
Bueno. Ok, take your time. Tome su tiempo para poder pintarlo bonito.
I finish, Miss.
You finish. Let me see it. Very nice, Axel. Excellent. Okay. And what about the rest? Some of you already done, right? Very good, Jonathan. Excellent job. Nice. Listen, we only have 2 more minutes, right? For those 2 more minutes, I wanted to all of you complete the parts that are missing. And when you finish that part, because remember that we have a review about numbers, right? Look, you're going to work on page 61, 6 and 1, right? Page 61. There you will find a number 10. You have to color this number. Color this number here, number 10. Trace the numbers below. La parte que está acá abajo, you need to trace the numbers. Then complete the sequence. That is like a thunder. And then you can color that cheek. Okay? Yes? Only if you finish this part. If you want to finish this, complete this one, okay? I'm not pushing you to do it. No, you have to take your time, right? The next part is just a review about number 10. You have to color that big number 10 and then trace the small number 10s below, right? And the third line, there is a space that you have to complete it. En la tercera línea de donde están los números que van a trazar, ustedes tienen que completar el número, ustedes lo van a escribir solito, porque ya lo practicaron en las primeras 2 líneas que les aparece. And then you complete this part, right? It's like a thunder, as I told you. And if you have time and you want it, it's not mandatory, right? You can color the chicks. No es necesario que coloreen los pollitos, pero si usted quiere, los coloree, right? It's because we only have less than a minute. Okay, we almost, okay? And that is why I am telling you this. Okay, Sebastián Rios, I'm going to take a picture and send it to you because you need it. Sebastián. Sebastián Ríos. ¿Será que no tengo su nombre? Thank you. Voy a mandar la imagen al grupo, Sebastián, porque su número no lo tengo registrado, Sebastián Ríos. Ahí va, Sebastián. Solo que después me escriba para poderlo agregar, porfis. Okay, we almost say bye, okay? Not now, but we almost. Okay, so remember, if you complete this part, you can work on the next one. Not for now. You can start now and you can finish it when the class ends, right? Yeah, you got it, right? When you complete to color the big 10 and trace the numbers below, you can color the chicks. What color are they? They are yellow, right? Chicks are yellow. So please take care and don't go away because at 11 we have our next class. Okay, so bye. Continue working. Continue working, do it slow as you can because if you are working low, you will present very nice work. Okay, very